How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2006 Ford Explorer. The customer wants extra key. Let's start. So the customer have one working key, which is H92, and we're gonna cut a new one. So I'm gonna use Rytan RY-200 key duplicator. This is a tip gauge key. So I'm gonna line both of them up at the end of the clamp and make sure that both are at the same position, and we can run the duplicator on both sides. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my daily videos. After we duplicate both sides, we can brush the key from all the excess metal shavings, and we're gonna go and test it on the door. Key turns nice and easy, and we can start the programming. So I always like to start when the new key is in the ignition, make sure that it turns and leave it on position. We're gonna use the Autel KM-100 key machine. Very affordable, it works on a lot of models. We're gonna look for the OBD underneath, and we're gonna stick the dongle and connect it to the machine via Bluetooth. We can turn it on. By the way, the security light is right on the dashboard, and it should blink fast because the chip is not programmed. When the chip is programmed, it should light on for 3 seconds and then turn completely off. Right now it blinks fast. So we're going to start with the programming. We're going to go to Immobilizer. We're going to look for the make. We're going to look for Ford. And we're going to go automatic selection and read the VIN number. Hit OK. Choose Ford, Explorer, 2006-2010, blade key. Make sure everything is correct and hit yes. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off and on again because the flashing light, the security light stopped blinking, and we want to wake it up. So I hit on function, and we'll follow the process on the screen. Currently there is 2 keys, learning the key, and now there is 3. You want another key? I said no, and we can take it off, and let's test it out. Nice and easy. Very easy and fast programming. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions for me. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.